Legion 5 Pro laptop, and in blue LED mode is not using the entire CPU, only 80 something percent. Okay, and if I press function and Q, then it will jump up to 100. And yes, it's 100, and it's in white LED mode. Function Q goes to red LED, but there's no difference, it cannot go higher than 100%. And if I press function Q again, it will come down to 80%. Function Q, it's in blue mode, and it's using only 80 something percent. Function Q white mode, back to 100. Red mode, 100. There was a spike there. Function Q again, back to blue and 80. Lower CPU usage, less heat. Function Q, more CPU usage, more heat.